72-year-old Peter Ogbwunike is the CEO of Peters and Daniels Plastic Manufacturing Company. The company makes solely plastic packaging for pharmaceutical companies and clothing hangers. Mr. Ogbwunike started his business more than 15 years ago as a trader. He buys plastic containers from pharmaceutical companies in Lagos and takes them to the southeast to sell.
After about 5 years of trading on it, I now decided to go into the full production of plastic manufacturing. In the course of doing that, I started with buying molds. There's things we call molds. I started buying the molds. I bought in that year, 2004. I have no machines. We go for what we call contract production. We meet people who has machineries, we give them our molds, and they produce for us, and we pay them, while we now supply the industry. So after about 5 years, or less than 5 years, we started thinking of doing the production ourselves. We started buying the machines, though fairly used then. We started buying the fairly used ones. We started producing. It was really moving.
As the demand for plastic packaging for pharmaceutical products increased, there was pressure to meet up with supply.
We needed more machines because we had more customers. Then we approached the BOI stroke Anambra State government for loan. Initially, when we go to other commercial banks, their interest rates are very high, say about 27–28%. But when we approached the BOI stroke the Anambra State government, the interest rate was a little bit considerable, 10%. So they gave us 2 machines last year. They commissioned it. We started producing.
The manufacturing process of plastic packaging is quite simple, provided the right machine is used.
Raw materials are like this. You go down now, you will see that we buy them locally from Indorama LMA Petrochemical, made in Nigeria. That's where we source our raw material. And this raw materials goes through the hopper. When it goes through the hopper, it now melts in the barrel. We call this barrel. It melts and goes through the barrel. As it goes through the barrel, it comes here, it melts and gets into the mold. When it goes into the mold, as the mold closes, it will now inject. As it injects, it will now form this plastic container that will drop on its own. Now it is dropping. Good. So when it drops together with the waste, because these ones are waste that we can recycle in the near future. We can use them for plastic hangers. And this material are purely virgin because they use it for pharmaceutical packaging because it is edible. So we don't use recycled materials for these products because they are purely for pharmaceutical packaging.
In this business, nothing is left to perish. The waste from the production process of the pharmaceutical packaging is taken through the crusher and converted into pellets. These are then reused for the production of hangers.
The plastic hangers, we use the recycled materials. That is more reason why most of our materials, we don't have waste. The runners we have in our product, we now recycle them put them through here, where it goes the same process to make the cloth, plastic cloth hangers. And they are already made in Nigeria. So we did say made in Africa and in China also. We really have that in our business, made in Nigeria. We were in Abuja sometime last year to showcase our products at the presidential villa. I showcased this plastic cloth hanger. He saw it and said the cloth hangers are very beautiful. But the problem he has is that here is so narrow that big jeans could not get into it. So when I saw it, after about 2 months, I traveled again to make a new one, now to make a very good clearance so that I can have enough competition for more jeans. You can pack 2-3 jeans here. Unlike this one that is so narrow that you cannot pick up 2 or 3 jeans. So I've corrected that now. And I'm proud of that because it's marketable right now.